Hey everyone, Kevin here again. So I thought it was time to do another update on the garden. So our romaine is it's slowly starting to phase out. But man, everything else is doing good. Our green beans, our yellow beans are doing really well. Our dill weed has just gone crazy. So we'll be able to pick some of that eventually. Cucumbers, they're finally getting up and they're going to start climbing this trellis. And then our squash and zucchini, they're doing really well. And the cantaloupe, they're starting to get some blooms on them. I'm trying to train the vines to run up towards the other end of the garden because they just overrun everything. So I'm trying to get them in a certain direction. I may get one or two of them to go up this trellis. Because I did that last year and it actually worked out pretty well. But like I said, the green and yellow beans are doing good. Tomato plants, we actually got some small tomatoes starting on there. And then the yellow cherry tomatoes, man, they are doing good too. Corn, got two little rows of corn. They're doing really good. We planted pretty early this year and everything's got a really good start to it. Our bell peppers, we've actually got some bell peppers that are starting. Oh, there we go. There you are. Another one over here. So we've got 3 different kinds of bell peppers and several varieties of our tomatoes. They're all doing really well. And then we got our, can't exactly remember what kind of watermelon these are. I think they are Sweet Babies. They're doing good. And then our red cherry tomato plant, it's doing really well. So the garden's got a really good start to it this year. Shouldn't be too much longer and we'll be picking tomatoes off of this plant. So I'm really anxious to see how everything's going to turn out this year. Garden's doing really well, so as long as the bugs and everything else don't cause any problems, I think we'll have a pretty good harvest this year. And I've mentioned it in the past, the trellises, all they are cattle panels, and they work really well for the cucumbers. Cucumbers grow up them, and they also work really well for the different varieties of cherry tomato plants. So hope everybody stays tuned, and when we start getting some of the produce out of here, we'll start showing you some of the videos of the stuff we get from our garden. Like I said, we've already had quite a bit of romaine, had several salads over the last few weeks. The romaine's starting to wind down though. The temperature's getting hot enough that it just can't take the heat. Had spinach earlier, it's already gone. So from Missouri Clark Life, stay safe, stay strong, and we will talk to you later. Bye bye.